Would you live here? Dreaming of sleek modern lines in a mountain home, warm wood interiors that feel cozy and refined, epic alpine views framing every room. Let's make that dream a real design. Start with the site and its constraints. Do a thorough site analysis, sun angles through the seasons and prevailing wind, study slope and stability, then plan access, driveways and emergency routes. Prioritize passive design from the start, orient for solar gain. Use overhangs for seasonal shading and maximize cross-flow ventilation. Choose materials that match the mountain mood. Timber, exposed beams and warm wood finishes. Stone, rugged durable texture. Steel, clean structural accents. Insulation and air tightness are non-negotiable for comfort. They cut energy use and keep interiors cozy. Plan foundations for slope, stepped footings, where grades terrace. Use piers to minimize earthwork and reinforced slabs for heavier loads. Fit panoramic windows with high-performance glazing to prevent heat loss. Integrate solar early and add battery storage for smooth, resilient power. Capture rainwater and consider partial off-grid systems where it makes sense. Mine permits, wildfire setbacks, and hire local mountain-experienced builders. Like, subscribe, and comment your dream mountain feature. Let's design it together.